If you want to translate posts on Bluesky Social, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Bluesky and click the three dots next to the heart button or heart icon. And as you can see right here, you can copy the post text and you can translate from here. Go ahead and click translate, right? It says, how should we open this link? And it says right here, your choice will be saved, but can be changed later in settings. Just use in-app browser, right? And then now you'll be redirected to Google Translation, and automatically they will copy the post and paste it, and you're gonna be able to see the translation in your own native language, whether that was Arabic in my case. And as you can see, I will be able to see the final results. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.